So good. Is there anything better than a cozy, delicious soup on a cold day? I don't think so. Today I'm highlighting a recipe. It is a white bean Tuscan soup. I got the recipe from a new cookbook from Adrienne Evatt. She is the owner and operator of the Urban Dreamer Farm Stand. She has jams, jellies, produce, soups, enchiladas, salads, dips, you name it. Her cookbook is easy to follow. It's full of comfort food and even some new recipes I've not tried, like pecan jam. And I'm really dying to try her magic spaghetti sauce. It's an easy to follow cookbook. It's got a lot of pictures, a lot of stories, and it highlights someone in Northern California, Auburn to be exact, which is near and dear to my heart. I absolutely enjoyed this soup, and I love soup, and I'm a really testy one when it comes to soup, but it's super delish. So check out Adrienne's new cookbook today.